Updating your primary email on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on My eBay at the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access personal information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Personal Information section. Click on it to view your current email addresses. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the option for your primary email address. Click on Edit next to it, enter your new email address, and confirm it as required. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, make sure to save the changes. eBay may send a verification email to your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on eBay will be updated. Remember to check your new email for any verification messages to ensure everything is set up correctly.